What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. You guys have been so patient, and can I tell you, your patience, it's going to pay off today. All right, so we finally got the opportunity. Boy, may echo holy, but people, the place is nice. We're finally here in a unit at Port Ridge Estate. All right, so I'm going to be giving you guys a full tour of this 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom unit. I hope you guys will appreciate this content. It's been a long time since we've been trying to get you a shot for this channel. I know you've probably seen it elsewhere, but not like this one. All right, so we're just going to jump right into it. Remember to like this video, remember to share, remember to subscribe, remember to leave your comments. Guys, we are still on the journey to grow. We can never stop growing, but you have to play your part. So hear what? Watch this video to the end, watch through the ads, continue to share, continue to send these videos far and near. So hear what? Without any more talking, and I can't say behind me, they don't want to show them too much yet. We're going right into this video. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Every single corner is beautiful and unique. Enjoy this video and I'll catch you on the other side. have it. I have nothing more to say than simply beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you get some ideas even from this very place. Like we said, we try to give you guys the best. This is one of them. So guys, remember to continue to share all these videos as we look to hit our goal by December. It's not too late to reach 10,000 subscribers. If we can surpass it, that will be as beautiful as this 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom unit at RealEstate. We'll give you guys a drone shot, but hear what? I'll save that for another video so that it won't take away from what you just saw in this beautiful unit. Alright? So guys, I'll catch you guys in another video. Peace out from me. Peace out from ChriSamz. It's much love always. And I appreciate you guys stopping by. So hear what? Have a blessed rest of the week. And continue to make ChriSamz your one-stop for your property tours and your updates. So it's peace out from ChriSamz.